It's you. 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 It's you.
This has been a great year, not only for my YouTube channel, but for most of the world. Let's start back in January. Trump was inaugurated, we had this guy and this thing. Nothing really important happened in February. Coming in April, there was United Airlines drama. Moving on, we had the totally great invention of the fidget spinners. And that pretty much explains the whole month of May. In June, the Western world heard a lot about one particular phrase called "the floor is lava." July, there was that hot dog guy, and in August there really wasn't anything exciting. From there on, the year kind of quieted down. So yeah, I guess maybe we didn't have the best year in history, but that doesn't mean we can't have a better 2018. So all I can say for now is pretty simple. Happy New Year.
We still got love to give while we're young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, broke high school kid.